to those saying na ang hirap abutin yung pangarap mo, don't give up. Kasi, kung titingnan mo na mahirap sa umpisa, it's just a normal thing. It's just a normal way to achieve your goals. Kaya much better na go ka lang and wag mo munang titingnan yung dulo. Step by step, doon ka muna mag-focus. And wag ka munang titingin doon sa pinakadulo na ang layo pa, kailangan ko pa ng a lot of step para maabot yung dulo ng pangarap ko. Kasi kung titingnan mo yung result kaagad, doon ka mag-down. Like, sasabihin mo sa self na, ang hirap no, ang hirap, parang nakakapagod na, ginawa ko naman na lahat, tapos wala pa rin. Come on. We all things walang madali. There's no easy way. Lahat tayo dumadaan sa process na mahirap, and then continue to step, continue your journey, keep going, and always think about yourself na lahat ng yan, it gives you a lesson para mag-grow ka, to continue your journey, para maabot mo yun. And that time na maabot mo na yun sa tamang panahon, sa tamang time, yun na, yung buo ka, complete ka na that time. And kapag naabot mo na yung goal mo na yun, yung dream mo na yun, it means kaya mo na siyang ma-handle. Kasi complete ka na, you already grow up. Instead na, hindi ka pa natututo pero gusto mo nang maabot yun, di ba? That's very different. And kapag nandoon ka na, hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo, hindi mo ma-handle yung goals na yun, yung things na yun, kasi nga hindi ka pa full of lessons. Kaya, merong dahilan, everything happens for a reason, kung bakit hindi natin naabot agad-agad yung pangarap natin. Kasi nga hindi pa tayo ready. Kasi, kailangan muna natin mag-process. Like, it's like parang papasok ka sa isang army, tapos, kailangan mo muna mag-training, at hindi yun madali guys. Kaya, wag mong titignan yung dulo, instead, mag-focus ka muna sa umpisa, step by step, and wait for the right time, hanggang sa ma-full na yung self mo to learn and grow, and magiging handa ka na sa pag-handle ng goals mo, ng dreams mo na yun. Kasi it's not really easy to like hold something that is really big enough for you na hindi mo kayang i-handle, diba? At mas masakit yun kapag nandun na yung dreams mo tapos hindi mo pa kayang i-handle. Paano ko to i-manage yung ganitong life na meron ako, yung ganitong achievements, diba? So, mas mahirap yun, hindi tayo handa. Kaya much better na always think about na this is a part of our journey, this is a part of our goals, our dreams, na para ma-achieve natin, maging malakas tayo, mag-grow up tayo, more on wider understanding. Kaya for me, it's okay na sa umpisa, okay lang mahirap, diba? Like, tayong mga affiliate marketers dito sa TikTok, like always natin naisip na kahit na ginawa na natin lahat, pag umpisa, pag new tayo, lalo sa mga kagaya ko na hindi marunong pa masyado when it comes to sales, diba? Hindi pa tayo marunong masyado mag-promote kasi wala tayong experience, and also we are nobody. Kasi nga hindi nila tayo kilala, we are not popular, we are not entitled, we are not public figure. Kaya minsan naisip natin na wala walang nanonood sa akin, kakaumpisa ko lang nanonood. Diba dumadating sometimes yung disappointments kapag mahina ka? Diba naisip ko na walang nanonood, isa, dalawa, tatlo, lima lang yung nanonood sa akin. Tapos ang tagal-tagal ko, isang buong araw, 20 pesos lang po yung commission ko. Diba? Lahat tayo dumadaan sa ganun, diba? Kaya kasi yan yung part ng start natin para mas maintindihan natin kung mag-look back tayo doon sa pinanggalingan natin na like, uy, ang galing no, doon ako nag-start tapos hanggang sa nag-process na na-learn ko na lahat ng mga kailangan ko tsaka ako naabot yung pangarap ko. Diba mas napaka-ganda na isipin mo yon na it's not about rushing something or it's not easy to get what we want on this life. It's like, it's about hard works. It's about a lot of process, a lot of effort, hard works, and yun yung kailangan natin para mapuno tayo ng mga lessons na kailangan natin, mga informations, ganyan. At para ma-handle, para ma-i-apply din natin sa self natin. At the same time, kapag nandun na tayo sa puntong like tuktok ng bundok, kapag nakatungtong na tayo doon, na maabot natin yung flag ng dreams natin, like masasabi natin na, wow, nung nakaraan nandun lang ako, sobrang hirap. Ngayon, wow, I can't believe it. Diba? At doon na natin maiisip na, mapahalagahan kung ano yung naabot natin. Doon natin magiging mas alam kung paano i-handle, i-manage yung self natin from that time na nandun na tayo sa pangarap natin. At the same time, meron din tayong na-learn, and also, it's nice, it's also great to inspire other people para ma-apply sa kanila yung experience mo through to life, na hindi siya edited, hindi siya filter, di ba? Kaya much better na we focus on the level of our life. It's not about, we don't need to rush something, na kailangan sana bukas maabot ko na yung pangarap ko. It's not about that. It's all about process. It's all about working so hard, trusting yourself, trusting your ability, and also trust that there's a time, there's a perfect time for you to achieve that goals that you wanted in your life. And also that is always there for you. Just keep growing, keep searching on things that you want to learn, and later on you're gonna be happy that you did it to yourself, that you did a great job for yourself. And that's the reason to celebrate for yourself as well, that you do a great job and you're great because you believe in yourself, right? So yeah, I hope you guys inspired with this topic, and yeah, I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching.